Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make images move in CapCut. So it's really simple and easy. Open the CapCut application, import your media and drag it to the timeline. Now, as you can see, there are two images. So now if you want to move them, what you can do is you will see here white line. Firstly, drag it to the position of the image where you want to start movement of this image. So I will drag it to the start and then select this clip. In the right side you will find some of the settings. From here you will find this position and size. This tool helps you to add a keyframe. If you click on that, it will add a keyframe in your image. You can see keyframe is here. This is our starting point where we have to start this image moving. Now we have to drag this line to the point where we have to stop movement. I'm going into the end. Click on this add keyframe again. After adding second keyframe, you can change this image size from second keyframe. Also move this image like this. Now if you play this video, you can see it's moving now. So this was the first method. Now the second image. So firstly, we will make it a small size and drag it to the left side. Now if you want to move this image from the right to the left, what you can do is put this white line in the point where you want to start moving this image. Put here in the start, click on this add keyframe. Now drag this white line to the point where you want to stop movement. Here is the point. I will again this add keyframe, and after adding second keyframe, I will move this image to the left. And now if you play your image from the start, you can see this movement. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.